Hi, it's Michelle, and I have a question for you today. Are you an engineer who wants to make your experiments be that much more productive? And by that I mean making sure that before you start an experiment on what you should do for the system, that you make sure that you have the user's feedback before you start instead of after or during. Does that sound like maybe something you'd be interested in? If so, let me explain. So my name's Michelle with My Life Integrated. I've been a change management consultant and a coach for 30 years. And I love to increase system adoption and system uptake because to me, it's like solving for X. So you're trying to figure out, okay, we have this experiment, that we think the users are going to love. And then we sit there and sometimes they don't love it. And sometimes we think, but they really should because we built it for them, right? Well, a lot of times when that happens, it's because what we think the users need and what the users need might be different. Another reason that could happen is we did build the functionality in that they need, but they didn't know about it. Like the communication's not there. Sometimes we just need to tweak something in order for it to really work for the user a little bit better, and then they're going to have better adoption rates and your experiment will be better. And sometimes the answer is, hey, this group of people that we really thought we could serve and help, we can't. Because what they're doing really at this present time can't be automated in that way. And so we could come back to that and see if it makes sense, but it might not, just given the fact that it's, a few people in a large organization. Maybe those few activities need to stay in a spreadsheet, right? So when you have someone like me come in and start talking about to the end users and try to figure out, like, how are they using your system, this functionality that you've created and that we're beta testing, how are they using it? Are they using it? Are they aware of it? If not, why not? Those are questions that can really help you build better experiments and get better results. And if you start, here's the thing, even if you're in the middle of a longer experiment, that's okay. Because sometimes it's good that it's great if we could start with like asking our end users like what they need and how their job works so we can better design the system. But even if we're kind of in the middle of that, that's okay. Because people can give you better feedback if they're not, engineer type brains. They can give better feedback once they have something to view, instead of something that seems kind of, it's not really concrete because they've not been in it yet. So once somebody's been in a system, they can then give you feedback, where before it's ethereal to them in a way. So either place you're at, I can help. If you're interested in learning more, just click the link below. My information's there. I'd love to hear from you and help you with your experiments. Thank you.